Okay, today I'm going to show you two hacks. One's a bachelor hack and a bachelorette hack and a peeling an orange hack. Because you know, oranges can be a real pain to try to peel, right? You got to bite it and rip it off. You know, just keep biting it, keep ripping it. Hassle taste, you know. Anyways, this is quick and easy. I'll take my knife and I'll pinch my knife right here at the top. Okay? First thing I'll do is I'll take my orange and my knife. Okay, and I'll come. Here we go. Where is it? There. Alright, so I will take my knife, I'll come down on the side. I'll put the blade into it and I'll just then spin around the top of the orange. You could do it on the bottom as well. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now the next thing is I take this blade and I come here and I just bring it around. Okay, using my fingers for a gauge there. And I come around. Okay, then I turn it half a turn and I go around. So you peel this in quarters, 4 quarters. Now it's ready to peel. Okay, check this out. This comes right off, all the way around. It just comes right off. Look at that. Nice. You know what's coming next. All right. Is now it comes apart in quarters. I take my thumb, I stick it inside of the peel, and I just kind of push in and turn. Push in and turn. Look. All right, I've got it pulled back. And watch, it just peels. I just kind of work down, keep working my thumb inward into it, pushing down, back and forth. Okay. Bam, peeled, one side, quarter of it. What a deal, huh? Quick and easy. Okay, and then again, I do the same. I take my thumb, I push it right into the peel, work it around, pull down as I go, keep pulling down, keep working my thumb in. Peeling number, actually I did this in half. Normally I do it in quarters, okay? But here we go. This normally is cut in half and you get half that size, okay? So it's come up in two simple cuts. All right, and I've got this little slice here. Quick and easy. Now I got another one for you. All right, done. All right, now the next hack. This is the bachelorette hack. Okay, and I'm going to go through the process here, and you'll get the idea. I won't have to complete the whole process, and I've only got one hand here to hold this anyway. So what I'm going to do here is your bag of veggies. You're going to have veggies with your dinner, right? So what you do, okay, is you take your bag, being I only have one hand here. Okay, here's a bag of veggies. You take your scissors and you just snip about a ½ inch into the bag. Snip about a ½ inch apart, ½ inch up or less, a ¼ inch up. All right, and you just continue to take your scissors here and just cut along the bag about every ¼ inch apart, ½ inch apart. So there you have it. Bachelor hack, bachelorette hack. If you don't happen to have a strainer, you've been hassling it, you just cut the bag open, run your water through the top of it. Done. Quick and easy. Well, I'm upside down again. I look forward to hearing from you, so take care. God bless. Keep up the good work. And remember, never give up, because there's always a way. Bye for now, and we're just keeping it real. Let me know what you think. Bye. Like and subscribe if you haven't.